Hi friends, today I want to show you this product that is a metal holder. So let's go open it. Came in this box. Came with these accessories for the installations. Look at this. She said she believed it, she couldn't, so she did it. Look at this. The perfect design for your metals. This is like a metallic, and you can put it in the wall with these ones, or you can use it like adhesive. So let's go try it. You put it in your wallet like this, and you can put your metals right here. As I said, it's so fast, so easy to install. You just need make 2 little holes in your wall, or you can use some adhesive. And as you can see, you can put so much metals in here. So if you practice any sport or you have so many metals, I highly recommend this. See you.